This is the start of something I have been wanting to do for years. My first ever motovlog. Hi, I am Afafan. This is my CF MOTO MT450 bike. We have shared miles, a few sketchy moments, and plenty of scars. But this time, I'm bringing you along for the ride. Just to see where the roads take us. No script, no big plan, just two wheels and the open road. I started riding bike in almost 2012, and like most of us, I got hooked instantly. There's just something about hearing the engine, leaning into a corner, and forgetting about everything else for a while. Of course, my first ride wasn't this smooth. Let's just say the curve and I got a little too close. Motor vlogging isn't just about showing the ride, it's about the connection with other riders and maybe even inspiring someone to take that first step onto a bike. So that's it. It's my first ride, first vlog. Thanks for tagging along, subscribe, and next time we will push the adventure just a little further. Thank you.